The two sets of fans are in voice for this Dream League live game. We've got an exciting match ahead. And the match kicks off. This is Harland. This is Harland. And he's given possession away in a dangerous place. He's headed the ball forward. The assistant points his flag. It's a corner kick. And that one swung into the box. Hakimi with this great run. A lot of missed passes today. They'll have to improve. Oh, well timed. Helps it on. Good, clean challenge. And he's clear of the defence, but can he finish it? It's Harland.
Oh, he'll be pleased with that effort. It'll do his confidence the world of good. So we're back underway. I wonder how that goal's going to affect this game.
And they could be in trouble here.
They've struck back and a level.
And it's anyone's bet which way this one will go now.
Here's Van Dijk. Salah with the dribble. Goal from Mbappe.
You've got to admire skill like that. What a fantastic volleyed finish.
Headed forward.
Now De Bruyne.
Mbappe. He's charging down the wing. Oh, there from Harland.
That's his second goal. Headed on.
He's got the goal in his sights. That's nicely played. Well, a great first half. Let's hope the second half will be just as entertaining. He's knocked it long. He loves to run with the ball. Oh, awful challenge. And he sees red. His manager won't be pleased with him. It looks like another player's going to take it. A golden chance for a hat-trick wasted there.
And now De Bruyne.
Oh, that was a cynical foul. The crowd are jeering the player. Skillful pass. He's darting forward, using the width of the pitch. The game seems to be mostly played in the losing team's half. Time for a change of tactics, perhaps. Diaz tackles. Can they make this attack count? They need to get back into this game. Surely now! Diaz tackles. And Harland scores.
And that's his hat-trick. He's going home with the match ball.